It's okay.
It's
It's okay to put this on YouTube, on Facebook, all the social media, everything else.
yes.
Okay,
Ask you a question real quick.
sure.
And I got this. Do you have? Does it help if you? Do you have to keep your eyes closed, or can you look at
No,
it? Like what helps me get to really feel something too is if I look at like a positive picture of like my son or family.
you can do that too. That's fine. That's
Okay, so I
totally
have a
fine.
picture here too that I had just because that I feel like it really helps me
I
get
have
into that feeling a lot quicker and easier. For some reason, I feel it. So, but yeah, I got a
I
picture of my
have a
son here.
video. Ooh, he's cute. I have a video that I made for my son for his bar mitzvah. And when I want to feel good, when I'm feeling down and I want to lift myself and feel good, I just play that video and I watch it. And by the end of the video, I'm up in the sky again. Okay? Anything that
Oh,
works for you to put you in that good place, use. There's no rules about it.
okay, and that's another part of my strange person that like is always second guessing myself. I feel everything's got to be a certain down to a T science, and and that's
There's no rules. What makes you feel good? Some of my clients love it when they hear specific music. As soon as they put the music on, they go to a different place. Some of them need a picture, some of them do it in their mind. Whatever works for you, use.
that's a good question. I'm glad you brought that up because I was going to ask you. That was one of the questions I want to ask you about. Besides the picture, but the music, yes, I feel like a certain music, especially if it's like a good, Christian song that really makes you feel, connected to God or Jesus, which I believe in anyway. Like, and that music just puts that feeling almost over the top, like you can almost feel the positivity coming off of
Absolutely.
it and stuff. So I was curious, like if I'm working on myself doing the tapping or whatever, and then switching over to a happy thought, can I play that music or something while I'm
Oh,
tapping or something to try to
abs-
help?
absolutely. When I teach people to tap on their own, that's one of the things that I use. Music. Music does it for you. Then feel the bad thing, rate it, put it to the side, turn on the music, and tap to the music that puts you on that high.
That's awesome. Yeah, because I was doing that yesterday. I was waiting in the car to head into the grocery store, and then a good song came on. Good, you know, uh, and I started just listening to it and feeling it and paying attention. Like, man, just feel it makes you feel. It made me feel great. And I'm thinking that's the type of feeling I need for the opposite effect, like you've been talking about,
Yeah,
And I'm thinking, I wonder if this would be a good counteraction against that bad feeling, is switching it
absolutely.
to a song. And I was thinking, man, that could probably be powerful. So I was going to ask you about that today, and you know, definitely try that because I mean, it. Yeah, there's no denying it how good it can make you feel. Music definitely, music always
Absolutely.
has to be very
Yeah,
powerful and influential.
for a lot of people. Another thing that you can do also is play the alphabet game. Go through the alphabet, and for each letter of the alphabet, think about a good feeling word and tap as you're doing that. So you would say A, amazing, B, beautiful. Now, this has two effects. Number one, it's putting you in that good place because of the good feeling words. Number two, you're sitting there thinking about what those good feeling words would be, and you're breaking your trance of the bad trance. So I would do, let's say, A to E, and then grab your wrist, breathe in, breathe out, go to the good place, peace, and rate it. Did it go up or down? Generally, it'll go down already. Start going down. Then you say, all right, now 4 was a 7, now it's a 5. Put it to the side. Once again, start from F, G, and continue going until you get, let's say, to K. Then stop, rate it again, see where it is. Usually it'll be less. Put it to the side, continue doing it. Whether it's music, whether it's playing the alphabet game, you can even do the multiplication tables. That won't necessarily put you in the good place, but it will break your trance. I mean, some people really enjoy multiplication tables, in which case it would put them in a good place. Not too many people that I know actually enjoy reciting the multiplication tables unless they're like 7 years old and they just learned it. But but use anything that would put you into a good place. Okay? Doesn't matter what it is. Whatever makes you feel good, use it.
Okay, awesome. Yep, because yep, I do want to try a couple of those things because sometimes the difficult for me is I realize like if we're talking right now, trying to whether it's to feel a bad memory or to feel a good one, sometimes it's hard for me to truly get in it to where I feel like as if I'm right there. But
Right.
if I see a video or something of that
Mm-hmm.
sort or hear the music, I mean I can feel that those feelings like just like that it seems like, it really triggers it, whether it's good or bad. So that's why I was curious if,
Right.
you know,
Definitely.
doing something like that to, really amplify, the
The
way
good
the system
place.
works,
Right. Definitely.
so yeah, I'll be excited to try that out and, really focus on it. And because I mean,
Well, if you have
it,
if you have a smartphone or an MP3 player or something, just keep the music on there and keep it on hand with you. And then, when that commercial pops up, you just take out your music and start tapping to the music.
awesome. Yep, I will start doing that and trying that. Because yeah, it's like I said, it's just a very interesting, nifty little process, though. But especially with all the different little tips and tricks like that, like
Right.
it's just makes you look at things different. Like wow, like you feel like you don't have to be stuck in your own prison, basically. Like
Absolutely, you
my
don't.
whole life.
Don't forget, if you like this video, leave a like down below, subscribe to my channel, or subscribe to my newsletter. The address is right down below over there. Have a great week.